everyone, welcome back for another video. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing this Makartt Dippies. This is in the French collection. So here I'm just going to take it out of the packaging, which is beautiful by the way. And here's what it looks like, guys. I'm so excited to share this video with you. So it comes with 4 bottles. The first one is the base. The second is the activator. The third is a top coat. And the fourth is a brush saver. It comes with 6 jars of dip powder. And here we have Expose. It's a nice pink color. This one is Love and Pink. Here is Sugar White. It's a white. This one is called Passion Over. That one is clear. That's the one. The clear is the reason I got the whole kit, and then this one is called Out There. It's a nude color. This kit also comes with a brush and sorry, I'm out of frame for that. And it also comes with a hand file as well. So this kit does come with everything you need. You do not need to cure your nails when you use this dip powder. So that's very convenient, very easy. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about trying this kit. I've been waiting for almost a month for it, so I'm pretty excited. It also comes with 2 extra brushes in case the ones get too nasty that you can't use them anymore or whatever. But so here I applied my Makartt short stiletto full cover tips off camera. And I'm going to be using the color Passion Over. So here's the jar. I love that little tab. It's so much easier to take off. And here's the color. It's a very pretty pink color, and it has like little glitters in it as well. It's very pretty. So what you're gonna want to do is go in with the base coat. You want to do a very thin, even coat of this on your nail. You're going to want to dip your nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle to coat your entire nail bed. And then you're going to want to tap off the extra powder. And then we're going to go on to the next. Now you could wait a few seconds and then dust it off with the brush, but I just think it might be easier for you so you don't mess it up if you just go on to the next nail. And what I found is shaking the jar just a little bit to make it an even surface and then dipping your nail in again. It helps to coat the whole nail. So you don't have to like dip in too far or anything like that. So here you're just going to apply your base coat again. A thin, even layer. And then you're going to want to dip your nail at a 45-degree angle so that you can make sure you coat the entire nail bed. And then make sure you tap off the extra. And then, I go on to the next nail. Just to give the others enough time to dry so that you don't mess up the dip powder. I do show you all 5 fingers. And that's what they look like on the first coat. And then I'm going to take my brush and dust off any extra. It is so simple, so easy. I think this whole set took me maybe 30 minutes, and that was because I had to size up the nails, and that's what took the most time. The dip powder part did not take long at all, and that's what they look like once they're dusted off. And then here I'm going to go and do my thumbnail. I would like to try to build up the nail using the dip powder, so stay tuned for that video. And then I'm going to give that a second to dry, and I'm going to go on to do my second coat. Yes, you're going to want to make sure to wipe off any extra that you get on your finger, on your skin, I mean, because once you dip it in the powder, it will be kind of hard to get off. So here I'm going in, I'm going to dust off that excess powder. And then we're going to go in with the activator. So you're going to apply the activator and wait 1 to 2 minutes or until it's fully dry. And here's the nails. This is what the nails look like after we apply the activator. And then I'm going to clean up a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the file. And I'm going to file and shape these nails. You know, crisping up the sides a little bit. I don't really go over the top too much. But if it is a little lumpy, I do I do file it a little bit. And then after you file, shape, and buff your nails, you're going to want to apply a second coat of activator on your nails and wait another 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully dried. Just to make sure that when you were filing, you didn't hit any of the dip powder that hadn't, you know, been touched by the activator. So after you file, it's a good idea to add another coat of that activator. And this is what the nails look like so far. And then once that is fully dry, I'm going to go in with this top coat. And you do not need to cure this, so it makes it even better. But you do want to wait at least a minute to let it dry completely. And just for fun, I wanted to see how, like, because I've never done dip powder, so I wanted to do like either a French tip, and they didn't work out, so I ended up trying to do like an ombre with the white. I believe it's called sugar white. Yes, sugar white. So after I was finished, I was actually done. I was like, let me just, you know, try to see how it works. So I applied the base coat to my nail. And then I dipped it in the white powder. And I think I did 2 coats of this because it was looking a hot mess. So I wanted just to try to fix it. So I waited a little bit and then I dusted it off. I did mess up because I didn't wait long enough on the second coat. You'll see. I tried to fix the French tip and it didn't work out. But that's okay because I liked working with the dip powder, so, you know, I'll keep trying and you know, keep practicing, and eventually I will get better. But this was just an experiment to see how it would work. But see, this I messed up. I brushed it too soon, and you see what happens. Yeah, that's not good. So just remember, when you do use your dip powder, to give it a few, you know, 30-60 seconds to dry before you brush it. So I just fixed it off camera as best I could. And then here I'm going to go in with cuticle oil. And then that's it, you guys. That's all I did. I didn't add any nail designs or rhinestones or nothing like that. But I love this dip kit. I waited so long for it to come in, and I'm so happy I finally got it. But comment down below. Tell me, you know, how I did. Give me tips and tricks, all that fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything on this kit will be linked down below. So go shop and get yours. You can use my code Chris and get 15% off your order. I am a Makartt ambassador. But everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.